Okay, I'm back. So I've been putting away a bunch of my apparel here. I just got a couple of big boxes that are like these, sitting over there in here. I just put away, and I was gonna figure out what I was gonna do. I forgot to put these away. These are white work shirts with logos on the back. In case you don't like black work shirts, which are these ones down here. Black ones. Somewhere back in there's a logo. There it goes. Black work shirt. I got these long and short sleeve, and these are white ones, and looks like that's a long sleeve one. Can start long sleeves on it. These are white. Oh, they didn't do the sleeve printing on them. Ooh. And they cheated right there. That's going back. I'll get sleeve printing on these, I forgot. Obviously didn't do it. Anyway, so here's the white ones. So I guess I'll keep some and some. I'm not sure what I'll do there. I'll put the sleeve marking on there. If you want a white shirt, you want to be loud and proud, we'll put the markings on it. Anyway, the markings are basically this here, which is our Tatro machine down the sleeves. So when you ride down the bike, it says Tatro machine across your sleeve, which my shirt doesn't have on it. So this is the, more chunks of crap on there. So this is the logo with the sleeve, and this is the script with the sleeve. So I don't know which styles of shirts you guys are going to like. So I didn't get too many with script, but I got a few. So all the ones I put away tonight were logo. So that's the logo in the sleeve printing. Or not logo. That's script. Script is writing. So it's writing with sleeves, and then logo with sleeve here, which you can't see again. So what I want to know is which you prefer. So this here is red cap. That's the number on it. It's an XL. So this is a sample I got from, give my friend to use this and have him try it out. So this is an oil blocking, stretchable, cooling. So it's got some cool panels on it so you don't get too hot working in it. And then we had there's no room for this in this place. Nothing like working with one hand and no room. Okay, here we go. One piece is huge too. See, it's got legs and everything in it. So this has the big logo on the back. Now instead of being put on with ink, so he's getting away, like this, silk screened. Instead of being silk screen like these are, this one they did a different process on, so it doesn't build up very thick, and it sticks a little bit better to the this material. So this has oil blocking in it, so it's kind of tricky on putting the stuff on it. So this lets the air through here, so you're not too hot. Keep you from getting too sweaty. And so I got that on the back, and then on the front, we did the same thing on the pocket right there. But we didn't do the sleeves. So should I even have these at all? These are going to be very expensive. These things are like $100 a pop retail. And then you got to do all the artwork on them. It's going to add a lot of money. Another $50 probably onto it. So if we do the sleeve markings down there, it's a little extra. But what do you think? Should I even stock stuff like this, or just leave my simple work shirts like these here? Great. I really got my stuff set up right here, don't I? There you go. Regular work shirt. And should the work shirts have Tatro on the sleeves or not? That's another question. I thought those were going to get them, but obviously they didn't. Oh well. So I don't know if anybody wants these or not. They make a lot of variations of these things, but this is the higher end model that has all the fancy stuff on it. It's got nice side pockets and top pockets and sleeve pockets. They got pockets on top of pockets. I think you charge an extra $20 every time you put another pocket on it. Oh, we even got one on the leg down here. Look at that. There you go. Do they have a hammer thing on the side? Oh, I can't use them. There's no hammer thing on the side. I can't work without a hammer. That's it. I'm not using it for me. I wonder if there's any inside pockets. Who knows? So, anyway, let me know what you think. If you like something like this or not. So, Texas is going to test that out for me and see how it works. Or not Texas, excuse me, Vegas. Las Vegas. Okay, the other thing is a jacket. So it's a Dickies regular work jacket. So instead of having it put on with the DGF or whatever they call this crap, you know, basically it's you make like a sticker and you put it on. It's real thin though, but it's basically like a sticker, I guess. It applies to it. So this one here is embroidered, so it's like hats, except this is embroidered. So, but this is way bigger than a hat, and I don't have embroidered hats. I got logoed hats. They're patches. So this is a lot bigger than a patch. Actually, I got a patches right here. I sell these too if you want to. See, it's not the small patch. It's like the big patch. Where's the big patch? Yeah, up there, big patch. Here we go, big patch. Yeah, it's not quite that big. It's in between. There you go. Look, I got 3 sizes of patches. So they put the big one on there. We're proud. So anyway, this is embroidered on, so that's pretty damn pricey to have that done. So do you like that better than doing you know, this stuff like this? So let me know if this is your standard Dickies thing here, whatever they call it. Dickies, yeah, that's what it is. I guess there's a number in there somewhere you look up. Anyway, these are you know, the pleated, quilted, whatever you want on the inside, double layer. And once again, you know, they got some stuff on the sleeves, regular pockets. Now, we didn't do anything on the back, so this is kind of like you would do a polo shirt where you just put it on the front only. So you're not super proud of being Tatro machine, you're just partially prouded. So should I put the this on the back like this one is here on the back of the jacket? Leave it lean and clean. Do I make it so it looks better, or do I make it really loud and proud and put the big sleeve marks on it too, like this? Put these down the sleeves there. There you go. Make it like you're proud of it. But like I said, these are another, whatever these go for, these are another $80 to $100 a pop, and you got to put all the crap on them. So that's going to make all these things up there around 150 bucks. I don't know, depends on more. If you do more stuff you put on, the more it costs. Having this on there is expensive. That's like 50 bucks to have that put on, I think, minimum, or maybe it was 60. So just that right there puts you up to 150 or 60. So if you do that and put ink all over it, then it's more, a lot. But if you do it in the printed instead of the embroidered, it brings it back down. So anyway, that's what we got. So let me know what you think. And I still got to get all this stuff into my website, which I'm not even close to doing yet. But I got some pretty good inventory, so just let me know what you want, and I'll dig through it and see what I got. My hoodie selection is getting skimpy. No light in there. Yeah. Got a lot of empty shelves. But I got 3 big boxes out here of one's waiting to be printed. So we got 1 truck and a whole bunch of blacks. I got 4 variations of hoodies. 6 ounce like a sweatshirt is, 10 ounce, and then you got the zip and non-zips. It's 4 variations of the hoodies, and you got logos and script printing, and you know, there's so damn many variations I get confused of what I want. But if you want something, let me know what you want on it, and those haven't been printed yet, so I can put anything on there you want. So let me know. And let me know what you think of the jackets. You know, these are nice, good all-around jackets. So when it gets cold out, I throw them on, or when it rains, that's when I wear a jacket. But other than that, I like my sweatshirt, and my old sweater I like a lot too. So anyway, give me some feedback. Let me know what you think. And oh, I got something else new we did I forgot about. We now have hats up there. Beanies with patches on them. Beanies with patches. There you go. My sister sewed those on for me. So those are sewed on, not stuck on. When you stick them on, the beanie no longer works. So the stretchy part goes away. So there you go. So if you want those, I got them both. The new way of doing stuff, and then the old way of doing stuff, which is on the side. So if you like it the old way where it's long and skinny front to back, like I wear it, that's the side patch. If you want it in the front, it's a front patch. But so now I got these embroidered. The ones up there, I don't know if you can even see them. It's hard to show itself when you're way up high like that. Yeah, it's got embroidery on it, you can't even see it. And, well, embroidery looks like this, obviously. And then I got the patch, so whatever you want. Pretty good, I put that up there. You like how I did that? That's good. So, anyway, let me know. We got a lot of variations of all this stuff, and it's going to be 2 or 3 weeks before I get the last of the batch come in. So, and then we'll load them up with all this new crap over here. So, there you go. That's what we got. Let me know what you think. Give me some comments.